Hey friends, Tux here. I wanted to do a quick follow-up video to the A8 Shudder issue I was having. I went ahead and took it into my local dealership here, and they basically said that they would go ahead and just replace the whole torque converter, fluids and all, because it was covered under the warranty. So at first I was thinking, oh, I just needed the triple flush, but when they said they would do it and it just cost me like $100, that was well worth it. So you can see right here, the job itself would have been a total of $4,569. And basically I paid the deductible of like $100. So really good deal. I mean, the parts alone were $17.15, and the labor would have been, it's an 18-hour job, it was $28.54. So really that huge amount of $45.69 would have really stung, but to get that for free, or well, for a $100 deductible, seemed like a really good deal. The car started up just fine, everything seems really good, so I'm excited to have my car back. It did take a while. I dropped it off originally on a Monday, and I didn't get back until right now, it's Friday, about 5 p.m. So it took kind of a full week. It's an 18-hour job, and I know they work on other cars between working on it and such, so it does take some time. But anyway, real happy to get my car back, and just really happy that I had the special warranty protection that covered everything but $100. So that was pretty sweet. I think next time I get the option of doing a warranty, I'll definitely keep this in mind. I will probably end up doing the extra warranty. I know a lot of people feel like, oh, it's a scam or whatever, but this time, man, it paid in full for me. Like that $4,000 is definitely more than I spent on the warranty itself. So really good deal, and I'm really pleased with the results. So anyway, if you guys have any questions about the A8 Shudder issue, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you through it. I've been through this whole process. It didn't really seem that, that bad, but for the sake of getting everything fixed once and for all, and for $100 is way cheaper than doing a triple flush, which is the normal remedy for the A8 Shudder issue, the first attempt. Okay, all right friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.